Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Aptos at number 31, followed by Lido DAO, Hedera, Quant, Cronos, Near, VeChain, Stacks, and then we'll end it with Algorand at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Aptos against BTC. Anything? Nope. Are we in a retrace? Yup. Feels to me like, okay, I'm just going to start drawing resistances. Yeah, feels to me like we could be breaking higher. We are at the 0.382 retracement level. How much lower are you gonna go? I don't know. Any chart patterns that we could trade from? No. No tradable chart patterns. Is this a falling channel? Yeah. Yeah, but there's just nothing to work with at the moment for Aptos BTC. Aptos USDT, same freaking thing. What in the world is this? Okay, you can zoom into the small time frames and you can see that this is maybe some sort of a falling channel. Maybe. Not sure. You know, this will be the slightly medium falling channel. This will be a baby. Yeah, again, nothing much to work with for Aptos USD. It's just up, zzz, up, potentially. So, yeah, again, in terms of tradability, Aptos is a no-go. LDO against BDC for Lido DAO. Ooh, we're so close to the skinny pink line. Are we gonna slice through the skinny pink line? It's already been 314 days. 314 days. So potentially we could be heading lower. If we head lower, oh dear, this could be a head and shoulders. You see that? So there could still be more downside to come for Lido down. Any clear signs of a trader? No, nothing tradable. Nothing clear for Lido. Not at this point of time. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Lido DAO BTC, Lido DAO USDT. Again, same thing. Oh boy, we could be getting a head and shoulders. Ooh. Excuse me, we could be heading lower. Right, 314 days has already passed. I mean, if we were to pull the line down, right, this is already a clue, right? Yeah, I feel like we could be heading lower for Lido DAO. I don't know. As long as we stay above the skinny pink line, though, we could still have skinny pink dash. Skinny pink dash. As long as we stay above the skinny pink dash, we could be seeing a continuation towards the upside, right? But yeah, this looks like mountains, right? Again, getting slap, pew, potentially. So be very careful. You have to be very patient, right? I don't think here's a very good area to be going to Lido DAO. HBAR against BTC. What am I looking at here on? Okay, X Binance, yeah, HBAR. I think we're gonna head lower, probably to sub 150. We're at 222 right now, so still not good, right? You can, I mean, on Binance, right? You can connect this, you know, potentially a very, very nice squeeze in the making, right? Very nice A, B coming down for a C, right? You can also connect this. Maybe a falling channel of sorts, yeah, so we could still drop all the way down until January 2024 before we see big moves for HBAR BTC. Again, not at this point of time. I just don't see it yet for HBAR BTC. HBAR USDT, same freaking thing. We're at the skinny pink line. Any clear signs of a push? Nope. Can we consider this as a potential symmetrical triangle in the making? Yes, we could. Breakout? Potentially. Yes, we could see that happen. But of course, at the same time, we could also get head and shoulders here, right? I don't think so, though. I don't think so. I think even if we do fall, we'll probably fall to take out these clusters of stop sells here and here and here, and then potentially a break towards the upside. That's my guess. So yeah, in terms of tradability, HBAR will be a no-go for me, right? You can see that we're finding real resistance at the skinny pink line. We haven't really truly broken out of it yet, so be careful. Quant against BTC. This is Quant. We've already crossed the skinny pink line. I don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal. The trend is still down, right? The trend is your friend. Always remember that. Yeah, nothing to work with for Quant BTC. Quant USDT, it's not good. Why? Because you can see that this is a mountain range. Oh my god. And we have a target fresh out of the oven at $67. So yeah, we're expecting Quant to potentially drop another 46%. Right, the noisy area will be around here. So yeah, this is somewhere where things, you know, started to break out. Right. So this, I think, could be an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern, right? 3 waves down. Of course, it could be 5 as well, but my point is that, yeah, I think we're heading towards 67, you know. Even this is like a head and shoulders, right, in the making. Even this whole thing is like a head and shoulders. Looks like it, right? So, yeah, more downside to be expected for Quant. Cronos against BTC. We're looking at it on KuCoin. Cronos BTC, not good, boys. So we were saying that potentially we could take out these lows, you know. Since here, or even since here as well, we were like, yeah, it broke, right? And then we saw mountains here, pam, we fell again. So again, more downside to be expected for Cronos. I don't think we are done dropping it. And I mean, although we can count, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Again, we could already be done, you know, with the 5 waves down, right? I like the stepping movements towards the downside every time we consolidate towards the side for a while, down, move sideways, down. We'll see another sideways before dropping. Yeah, the point is maybe the end may not be too far away, right? We may drop to the noisy area over here, probably another 29% more to go for CRO against BTC, but we don't have targets for CRO, so it's a no-go. It's a next coin. CRO against USDT, yeah, we're so close to taking out all the clusters here, and here, so we could just dip a little bit, take out everybody before going higher, right? So yeah, I just don't think crypto.com is done yet. I don't think so. But again, we don't have any targets, you know. CRO could just zip up from here, but yeah, in terms of tradability, crypto.com Cronos is a next coin. Near against BTC. Yeah, not good, right? Double top, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this could already be the 5th wave down. Will we take out these lows before hitting higher? Again, we're not too sure. We're not too sure at this point of time. Hopefully, we could see some sort of a bullish reversal. You know, we hit the brakes as we drop, and then we drift back up. Hit the brakes, and then drift back up, right? So, are we going to see some sort of a drift? But we'll have to wait and see. Near against USDT. Yeah, again, no clear tradable chart patterns for near USD. You know, I wish I could say that this is it, you know, and then we break higher, but yeah, nope. Ascending triangle maybe. Symmetrical maybe. Not clear. Near is the next coin. Next. VET against BTC. Yeah, again, we're not too sure what VET is doing, right? Previously, on VET, on VeChain, right, we saw this move down, so we're like, hey, this is a nice falling channel, hey, right? So normally the falling channel trading strategy would be, once we see a break of the falling channel, right, back a bit, okay. Normally, once you see the break of a falling channel, what do? You make a buy here, and then yeah, your stop loss would have to be here or here, right? And then you would expect that VeChain would just break the skinny pink line, continue higher, right? But that did not happen. Although this was a very beautiful falling channel. Look at how beautiful this is, right? But we didn't break higher. Why? Yeah, because we were under the skinny pink line. See that? The skinny pink line dictates the trend that we're in. We were still in a bearish trend. Even though we broke the skinny pink line, we came back down. We tried breaking back up, we failed. Try again, we failed. We dropped even lower. We took out the lows here, and here. So anybody who was in a trade for VeChain against BTC would have already drowned by now, right? You've already been stopped out. So yeah, trading is very difficult, you know, and normally, yeah, just because you see a falling channel and you see a break doesn't mean I can't go any lower, right? And if you look in history, VeChain has this knack of doing this kind of breaks, right? It breaks out, comes back down, takes out the low, poof, zooms up, right? It zips up. Again, we broke the falling channel, came back down. Could we zip back up? I don't know. Food for thought. Could we have traded this? Could we have known that this was the bottom? No chance at all. But I like this though. I like this. This whole thing could be like a left shoulder. You get a head, right shoulder breakout, right? By, I don't know, September, October, end of the year maybe. But this is just too, it's too volatile towards the downside. VeChain against USDT. Yeah, but I like VeChain USDT. Why? Clear resistance over here, right? 3 freaking touches. It's all by design, boys and girls. It's all by design. Eventually, we're gonna come back up and then pump. We break up, right? So yeah, we're very close to breaking the skinny pink line. So close. So yeah, does this mean we can't drop any lower? Nope. Does this mean that we are already done? Nope. Could we still hit lower? Yep. Is this a potential bullish reversal? Yep. But we need VeChain BTC to start flipping towards the bullish side as well. So we need to sit on both pairs, because if VeChain against BTC is continuing its drop, but VeChain USDT is rising, this means that you should actually be in Bitcoin, not in VeChain. Yeah, that's what VET BTC is for, right? I mean, of course, you can trade VET USDT eventually, but you know, VET BTC will rise as well. That's the expectation, but you know, you have to trade what you see, and what we see is that potential bullish reversal on USD, but not on BTC. So we have to proceed with things cautiously. It would be great if we could sit on both pairs. Stacks against BTC, STX BTC. What's this? What's STCX? STX BTC. Ooh, see, we're already in a bullish trend. We're above the skinny pink line. I think this is the first time that Stacks has zipped into the top 40. Welcome to the top 40 Stacks. And yeah, I think Stacks could be consolidating for a higher move. Ta-da! This would be awesome though. It feels to me like maybe we might get something like a squeeze here, right? Something like that. Breakout Stacks BTC would be awesome. Would be awesome. Stacks USDT, but I still think that there will be a retrace though. Stacks USDT, yeah, above the skinny pink line. Continuation higher. Retrace. Continue higher. Consolidation. Continuation maybe. Yeah, in terms of tradability, Stacks has not been too clear to us. So yes, this is you want to be careful about it, because if BTC drops, it's going to pull Stacks down together with it. But we're already in an uptrend, so I would expect a continuation, right? There could be a deep retrace before we continue higher, but yeah, I would still expect more upside, right? And yeah, this is the top. So proper resistance at around $3. We're at $1.17. But again, I just don't see the consolidation, you know, it's just up. That's it. So yeah, if you didn't get down at the bottom here, yeah, I'd be very careful about rushing to anything for Stacks at this point of time. Algorand, Algo BTC. Here's Algorand for you. Ooh, we're almost at target. We are almost at target. I think we're going to breach 700, sub 700. We're at 773, so it's still not too far away. Just a little bit more. Maybe another 10%. Ta-da! We would have already hit target for ALGO BTC, ALGO USDT. Looks like it has potential, right? So we're anticipating the possibility of ALGO completing a very big ABCD, and then we break out. That's the expectation. Some sort of a squeeze, a big mega squeeze, and a mega spike to follow. But we're not too sure. We're not too sure, right? Yeah. So this is a thing. You see, you might expect that this falling channel, right? Once we break, hey, that's it. We're out. Nope. We're still under the skinny pink line. Trend is still bearish. So we remain with our bearish bias. We respect the skinny pink line. So more downside. Again, we're not too sure. Yeah, you see there's volume over here, right? Proper selling is still happening for ALGO against USD. If you move up to the weekly, candlesticks are not too convincing. If you move up to the monthly, you will see that this is a shooting star. Gravestone, more like a gravestone doji, right? It's something like this that signifies selling pressure. What happened after we got something like a shooting star, gravestone doji, something like that? Yeah, that's a big sell-off, right? What's the thing that you think is gonna follow? Yeah, potentially. Of course, no guarantees though, because we are right at the bottom. Right, we're already so down, so close to the bottom, right? But doesn't mean we can't find another lower low here, right? So yeah, be careful, be very careful, right? This could also turn into a descending triangle. We hit a little bit lower, right? The hope is that we come back up, you know, over here, right? Because I feel like this is maybe a symmetrical triangle also in the making, right? Potentially we could break the skinny pink line, right? Maybe by May. Algorand, Again, not too sure. So yeah, I feel that there are only certain coins that's rising. Not everyone looks bullish at the moment, so be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Algo run. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.